Hello Snippet IT family. If your docking station is throwing a fit, here are some steps you can try to remedy this bad behavior. First, check that it's plugged in properly. Make sure the power source is working by testing it in a different outlet if possible. Some docking stations have a power indicator light, so you can see if it's getting power. This is to confirm if you need to further troubleshoot or you need an electrician. Look, connection check. Try disconnecting the docking station from your computer and reconnecting it after a few seconds. Also, double check that all the cables, like USB or HDMI, are securely connected. Sometimes a loose cable can stop the whole thing from working. Meme-worthy restarting your computer can also help. That's because this resets the connection between your laptop and the docking station. If you have access to another computer, try connecting it to the docking station and see if the issue is with your laptop or the docking station itself. Are you having an issue with a USB device when plugging it into the dock? It could be the device and not the dock. Try plugging a different device to see if the issue is specific to one device. If some ports aren't working but the others are, and software updates can't fix it, this could be a hardware issue with the docking station itself. Dock drivers. It's important to ensure all your drivers are up to date. This is because many docking stations require the latest drivers to function properly. You can get them automatically installed by updating your device. So check for a pending update on your device. You can also do it manually by visiting the docking station manufacturer's website. Physical damage. Take a look at the docking station for any visible signs of damage. If the cables are frayed or the ports look broken, that could explain the problem. Trying new cables might solve the issue if the current ones are damaged. Additionally, if you've been using the docking station for a while, you could reset it by unplugging all devices and the power, waiting a few minutes, and then reconnecting everything. I've personally been successful with this method many times. Monitor madness. If you're using external monitors and they aren't displaying anything, the display looks weird, or is not outputting the correct resolution, check your computer's display settings. Sometimes the computer recognizes the monitor, but it needs you to adjust the settings to make it show up. Lastly, it's a good idea to check if your docking station has any available firmware updates. Firmware updates are something needed to fix compatibility or performance problems. Firmware updates are different from driver updates, but they also can be found on the manufacturer's website. If none of these solutions work, testing with a different docking station can help you figure out if the original one is faulty. If a new docking station works, it may be time to replace your broken one. Snippet IT encourages you to exercise your consumer rights, warranty, or any other lawful powers to get you a working replacement. Congratulations to you. Your dock should be up and running with these steps. If this video wasn't helpful in any way, I can only apologize. Hopefully you can leave a comment in the comment section and the Snippet IT community will be able to help out. See you in the next one.